Hello guys, today I got something that I have been waiting for a long time. That's right, this is the Cowboy Navy Revolver from Tokyo Marui. Hell yeah, that's right. Oh my god, but this is the M1851 Navy Revolver. Yeah, you may notice that this is Tokyo Marui, and it's basically made from plastic. And this is the air spring cocking gun. It's the air gun, not the gas version. And YouTube, this is a toy, a toy gun. So please, yeah, this is a toy gun. And I, I love Cowboy Revolver and Cowboy stuff, especially after I play Red Dead Redemption. Oh my god. And yeah, Red Dead Redemption 2 is the best game ever. Yeah, oh my god, yeah. So I try to collect most of the weapons from the games. I already got a M1887 shotgun, repeating shotgun, and the sawn-off shotgun. And yeah, and I also got the Peacemaker, also known as the Cattleman in the game. And I also got the Schofield revolver. So this one, the Navy revolver, oh my god, it's actually come to the store now, and I bought it. Oh, even actually this is made from plastic, which is the downfall, but who knows? Tokyo Marui. The scene is inside, shall we? Oh, oh my god, it's so gorgeous. This is awesome, man. Look at that. Let's see the accessory first, shall we? Oh, this M1851 Navy. Let's see what inside, shall we? Is it what? It's the BB that in gray color. And I think this is, you see that the two. Okay. And this, I think, is the cosmetic that put in here, put in the back of the cap, just like the real gun. Yeah, this is real revolver. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed and I grabbed this is to feel light. But it feels so nice. Ooh, wow. All right, sorry guys for the camera that is turned off because of the battery. Okay, let's continue to the gun, shall we? I mean the toy gun. We got this plastic grip with texture of the wood. Feels nice. And we also got this Tokyo Marui marking, which is there. And there's nothing. Here is this. So we also got this very nice engraving here on the cylinder, which is very nice. Very nice. And we also got this thread here and the iron sight. So to use this, you just half cock it. Oh, this is full. Just half cock it, and there we go. So I'm gonna be testing this. Oh, you put the BBs in here on the cylinder. Now you can see it or not, but There we go. And then let's see, yep. And then we push this down here. Just doing like that. Whoa. I did not expect that. Okay, it's working. And this is how you reload it. And to remove the cylinder, you just press this off. This lock here. Just to remove this. This is the lever that you pull down to reload the mechanism. You see? You just put this. It's just push the bullet in here. I mean the BB, yeah, but in the real revolver, they just put the bullet in here, the bullet ball, and just put the cap back here. Yeah, back there. I don't know. I'll put it later. I'll put it on now to see how it's work. I'll show you guys later. Right. So I removed this out, and it's basically just like this. And you just remove your cylinder, which you're going to half cock it and rotate it. Yep. Put it on here. For the cosmetic. It's not got nothing to do with the performance of the gun. You don't need to put this in if you don't want to. But for the sake of the cool of the looking of the gun, I will put it on. Yeah. Not that bad. It's quite satisfied putting this in. And then with that, rotate a little bit. There we go. Put this in. Make sure the lock is out. Oh, I think that is the lock. That too is the lock of this. And maybe it's a spare one. There we go. Okay, boys, this looking sick. Okay, let's try it. I'll chrono it after. So the sheet, I don't think we can just put it, pop it in. Let's see, shall we? It should be like this. Something like this. But you can just use your finger to pop it in anyway. But it's the cosmetic. You need to use this. There we go. Okay, boys. The gun is hot. Let's see. What? Oh, it's kind of fun. Oh man, it's not bad. Okay, guys, I already reload the BBs in, so let's chrono it, shall we? By the way, I'm using 0.2 gram BB, and it's not green gas. This is spring power. Okay, 111, 109 FPS, 104, 103, 106, 109.5. There we go. It's around 110 FPS with this, yeah, 0.11 joules. It's so low, but yeah, by the way, this is spring power, so not bad because it's just spring power, and you can fathom it. Woo! So, what do I thought about this Airsoft replica? I think this is I never seen the other brand make the Navy Revolver before, so I think the Marui got it first. But if you don't mind, get it in plastic form. This is made from plastic, so it's kind of nice. I think I do prefer it's made from metal, but yeah, this is what it is, and the engraving is so nice. Look at it. This is some kind of Navy ships. You see, it's flag ships. Yeah, the engraving so nice, and the cosmetic. This cap is so cool, and how you operate the gun. Yeah, very nice. I do think I will be having fun with this gun so far. I will, because it doesn't require gas to operate it. So I just play with it all the time. Just cock it, and there we go. And you can fat hammer it, and you can spin it very easily. I cannot do it in the camera, yeah, but it's feel light and not that heavy, so spinning it's not that hard. And this is Navy Revolver, so cool, just like in Red Dead Redemption 2. I mean in the Red Dead Online, because they don't have Navy Revolver in the main story. So yeah, I had this in Red Dead Online, and this is one of my favorite guns so far, Revolver, yeah. And this is Airsoft toy. So, do I recommend it? Yeah, if you don't mind. This is a plastic. This is very nice, detail replica. Very nice, and feels so good. So, that's it for today, guys.